Okay, this is Phonics Day 4 or Thursday on your lesson plan. And before we start this, I meant to do this on day 1, but the packet that you just picked up in Carline on Wednesday, you'll have a folder like this, and all of this week's work is in this folder, all right? It's got a rubber band around it. When you return the work that's in this folder, when you return it, I want you to return it in this envelope. It has your child's name. It says, please return Unit 2 in this envelope, okay? That way it keeps everybody's papers together. They don't get mixed up. And as you're doing your work, as we had asked before, be sure that you leave everything stapled together, okay? All right, so let's get into phonics for today. On Thursday, or day 4, you should have done your Bible verse, Ephesians 4:32. And then you've done your Bible page 58 after your story, and reviewed phonics chart 6, 7, and 8. Today I want you to do a little extra reading in your reading book today and tomorrow. I know you've got some science, I think, today, and some science tomorrow, but I do want you to spend at some point some extra time in your reading book, all right? So let's go over our instructions for today's paper. It's easy, okay? So we're going to do page 209 and 210. On page 209, okay, I had some boys and girls, like I had said before. You're not following directions. And if you don't follow the directions, even though you can read this word, Miss Morlock has to count off, okay? So the directions on number 1 say circle the special sounds, mark the vowels, read the words. You have 3 things to do with each word. You have to look at each word. If it has a special sound, you're going to circle the special sound. Then you're going to mark the vowels, short or long, and read the word. If you don't circle the special sound, if you don't mark the vowel, Miss Morlock has to count that wrong because you didn't follow directions. Even though you can read the words, you have to do what your directions say. All right? Be careful. On number 2, some of you didn't read this right last week either. Okay? Follow the directions. Read all of the directions. Don't just look at the first of it. Fill the bubble. Read the whole directions. Fill in the bubble under one word in each line that tells about the picture. Okay? So right here we have a can, and this is what they used to put milk in a long time ago, with a cow on it. So what do you think would go in that can if it has a cow on it? Right, milk, okay? So the first row, you have 3 words. One of the words in the first row tells about this picture, okay? So you're going to fill the bubble under the word in the first row that tells about the picture. But there's also another word in the second row that tells about the picture. And then you're going to fill the bubble under it. So each picture has 2 words that tell about it. There's a word in the first row, the top row, and the bottom row. All right, on the back, you have 3 sections to do. Write the word that completes each sentence. So you have in your ovals, you have 2 words. You're going to read the sentences and write which word in the oval goes in that sentence, okay? Write in cursive. Stay in the right part of your house and take your time and do a good job. You will also do writing page 191 and 192. And before you start your writing, I want you to take a little break, shake your hands, get up, move around, and that way make sure your pencil's good and sharp that you can do some good writing. All right, one more day.